Guys, welcome back to my channel The Beauty Tube. This is Aishwarya. So today I will show you how you can get a perfect smoky eyes look just in 3 simple steps. Yes, you heard it right. In just 3 simple steps you can get your perfect smoky eyes look without any mistake. So let's begin. So the first step is to choose a kajal or a gel liner. You can select anything from it. I will be choosing Maybelline New York gel liner. Now I will be applying the gel liner on my eyelids. So now I will be using this chameleon palette. From this palette I will be choosing the brown color to give a nice shade to the smoky eyes. I will be applying this brown shade on my crease area and I will be blending it well. So guys, this will be the last step of smoky eyes and I will be using Savannah Colors highlighter. So I will be highlighting the brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes. And this is the final look. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. Do try this look and let me know in the comment section how helpful this video was for you. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye.